Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to focus upon allegory, another literary term. Allegory is a complete narrative that involves characters and events that stand for an abstract idea or event. Although allegory uses symbols, it is different from symbolism. The word allegory is derived from ancient Greek and is translated to mean implying something, and this translation further helps us understand its function. Let us now look at example of allegory in literature. An allegory is a complete story that uses extended metaphor throughout the entire story to illustrate complex ideas in a comprehensible way. First example is George Orwell's novel Animal Farm. It is an allegory that uses extended metaphor of animals starting a revolution on this farm to characterize the figures of Russian Revolution. It is a type of political allegory. Another example is The Mask of the Red Death by Edgar Allan Poe. It is an allegory for death. The moral is no man can escape death. Another example can be seen in Edmund Spenser's poem The Faerie Queene. It uses moral allegory about Queen Elizabeth's reign and knightly virtues such as temperance. An example of social allegory can be seen in Franz Kafka's Metamorphoses. It is about the alienation of modern individual in the society. Thus, authors choose to write allegories to address a controversial topic to make writing more interesting and understandable. Thank you for watching the video. Do press a like button if you liked the video and share it to your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.